Imagine, if you will, you've just woken up for your commute, you've rushed out the door with a slice of toast, and as you're cutting it fine by the seconds, a family of horses stops you in your tracks. And that's a pretty common occurrence here in the New Forest, a beautiful place in the southwest of the UK. In this video, we'll be doing a little bit of horse spotting, and I'll also show you some of the picturesque roads that might make you want to visit on your own motorbike. Without further ado, let's get this show on the road. Before I start off this video, I just wanted to say hello, I'm Aytoo UK, and thank you to everyone who supported me so far. I've really enjoyed making these videos, so if you enjoy them, please politely hit that like button and subscribe to see more New Forest motorcycle content. Alrighty, so we are starting things off in the town of Brockenhurst. In addition to horses, we also have cows and donkeys, which you may also spot in this video, so let's keep our eyes peeled. This might be the favourite spot for horses in the New Forest. You'll often see about 20 to 30 just gathering around this tree. Now sometimes they can run around, especially the foals. We are approaching a place where I saw some cows earlier, so here's hoping that they're still there. You can see a foal there. Okay, and as we can see on our left, those are the cows that I spotted earlier. Very nice, very chill creatures. Oh, and a Shetland pony. I forgot we had Shetland ponies around here. Oh, and we are getting lucky, we have donkeys as well. There's Dave the donkey. And right here we have Denise the donkey. Okay, so in about the space of 3 minutes, I think we've just seen half of the wildlife in the whole forest. Now up here I see a bit of a rarer breed, and that's a couple motorcyclists having a fun day out. Let's see if we can catch up. I'm 90% sure they have about twice the power I do. Thank you. Another thing that the New Forest is very famous for is its purple heath that likes to grow everywhere. If I look around, you see a lot of purple plants. It's lovely, isn't it? Fields are green and purple. It almost looks like a made-up place. Now this area here is called locally as the 10 Bends, because it's a series of 10 bends. And I think a few people have died here before, so I'm going to keep it nice and sensible. Seems like these guys are ahead of the same idea as me. Now if you made it this far into the video, I want you to comment Dave the donkey, just so I can see who actually sticks around. Evening. I'm personally getting a little bit bored, so I'm going to try overtake when I get the chance. These roads are great fun. I think the strap on my jacket is hitting my helmet right now. I'm gonna have to pull over and do that up. nice to know if any of you watching today have been to the New Forest, and especially if you've ridden a motorbike here. I'd love to hear your experiences on it. I personally think that I live in the best place to ride motorbikes in the UK, bar some places up north. Oh, everyone's out in their nice cars today. And I have just gone the wrong way, so I'm gonna turn round. And off we go! Power! Oh yeah! Oh shit! Slow down in time as well. Here we go. Cheers! Here's a fun road where you get to blast out your little engine a bit. Oh, that is if you don't get stuck behind 30 cars. Here we go. Now, I've made a series of 3 longer videos for you to watch because my shorts have been doing quite well, but I want to start making some longer form content. So if you've been enjoying my shorts, go watch the long videos. And if you're watching this as a long video, then go watch my shorts. As I'm still brand new to this, I appreciate every bit of feedback I get. So even if it's just a small comment to say well done or that shit, please let me know. Yellow van. I bought some fancy earplugs for about £20 and I was expecting them to make a world of difference to me. But it turns out they just hurt my ears and they fall out whilst they're in my helmet. So I learned a lesson that cost me 20 quid the other week. My advice is just stick to foam earplugs. Or none at all and raw dog it. This road is a 60 limit. And there's always somebody doing 20 below, no matter what. Yeah, we're almost doing half the speed limit now. Chill guy. Now, if you ever do visit, then come here. The place I'm about to turn into leads to somewhere called Blackwater and then to Rhinefield. It's such a good part of the forest. This whole road is just filled with pine trees and ferns. It's got a prehistoric feel to it. And the smell around here is great. Just not the bike riders. I couldn't tell what they were doing then. This entire stretch of road smells like a happy tree. Beautiful, isn't it? Now if you're watching this from a place with lots of highways or motorways and long straight roads, I have to say this form of motorbiking feels completely different. I'm sure you're aware of that already. Just cruising slowly through the forest is so enjoyable. I like going fast as much as the next person, but I also love just chilling through here. Yoink. Damn, we are going slow. Try get in front. And we are hitting the majestic speed limit of 40 miles an hour. Speed! Let's get a good look at the fields. Poor horses over there. Oh, look at these, we've got cows. Look at these guys. A couple of moors. I love the cows. Now, I'm going to wrap this video up here. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate everyone who's taken an interest in this channel, so I'd love to hear your thoughts of the video down below and any suggestions you have for any future videos. On that note, I want you to have a lovely day and peace out.